Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Belicia. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how I paint my pool at the vacation home. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have the flu, so I have to cover up. Right now, we took on a very, last minute project, last minute and tedious project, because we realized, okay, this needs to be done, right? So we got cracking. So right now, what happened last night was that we drained the pool of all its water, went and we got some pool paint and everything, and now we're uplifting the pool and otherwise repainting. Alright, so let's see how that looks. So here we have the empty pool. We drained out all the water overnight, and right now we're repainting. There's mommy on the job. I'm not repainting. So the reason why we decided to repaint the pool is that, as you can see, just a little discoloration. It's not any fungus or anything like that. It's just over time the color changed, so it's not as pretty and blue as we would want it to be. And if we, the hosts, don't feel good about it, we suspect or guests won't feel good about it, so we need to fix it. So we went ahead and drained everything overnight. And how we did it was, we got this submersible pump that actually is built to be submersible down in the bottom of the pool, so there's no, get electrocuted and stuff. And we suction the pool out. The pool water, I should say, out. Hello. It's your girl, Laddie. No, none. What you gonna call me? None hands on. Well, no. I don't do projects really, right? But guess what your girl doing now? I'm about to paint a pool. Anyway, got the pool paint. I'm trying to pull. Mama, I laugh. I cut my nails, by the way. I say short nails, so. And this paint is waterborne acrylic coating. It's a solid color, and you're just cleaning up with water. Water cleanup needed, no thinner or anything like that. It's chemical resistant, color retention properties, and it has color retention properties. And you can get any pool paint or speak to a professional at one of those hardware stores. It look kind of marble right now. Look, I'll show you. Like, I'm seeing more white than blue at this moment, but I'm still mixing. This color is ocean blue. Ocean blue. Let me see if I have any instructions, because sometimes we don't read them. Oh, so this is a non-slip anti-skid floor texture additive. It enhances traction and stops, ramps, pool areas, floors, and porches. So it's a powder, like it look like granulated sugar. Don't eat it though. And when I'm done mixing, I'll come back, because this mixing look like it's going to take time. Alright, okay people, so I'm done mixing around the paint. It took me like 5 minutes, but again, I'm not used to these type of things, so it may take you less time. Okay, So after it's done mixing, this is how it looks right now. I don't know how to film my camera. This is how it looks. And as mentioned, I mixed in the anti-skid floor texture additive. Okay, now I have my tray here. Mommy is just tray, right? No special name. I have my paint tray, so I'm going to pour some, not all people, some of the pool paint in the tray. I have my roller right here that I already set up. And you want the one, they have different type of roller. The people in the store told me that no, it's okay, any roller. I don't think so. You have soft roller and you have the one for rough surfaces. So I got the one for rough surfaces. That's why it's good to read. Okay, so it's time to boogie.
Stay away from the tiles, no, it's a go.
Yeah.
Do the floor, so the sides go down.
Yeah. Okay. People, I know you guys can't see the difference. Look at this blue and look at everywhere else. It really needed a facelift. And everything is a time crunch. Of the guests checking in what, Friday or Thursday of this week. Snow Sunday. And we have so much to do. So little time. Right now I got the chance to shop around for cheaper stuff. Not really cheaper, but more cost effective stuff. Because cost efficient, right? Cost efficient. Because of the time crunch. So I can just grab things and go.
Expensive things and go.
Yup. This pool paint was like, guys, $60 for one can. $60. And I went there with the intention to spend $20-something, you know. And I didn't know I saw pool paint expensive. This is basically a do-it-yourself video. It will cost a lot of money to hire someone to do this. So, can you do it little by yourself? I'm not doing it by myself, by the way. Mommy's over there. If it was by myself, this would never get done. Yeah, you still do it yourself because we're not using any professionals. And this is the first time we're ever doing something like this. So, I'm excited to see the results. I'm just going over the lines where you can see the distinct ending of the roller. I'm just going over that distinct line to smooth it out. Let it have a seamless transition between the coats. My hand's tired. This is a smaller roller, it's lighter. So I should be able to maneuver this one a little bit. So when you put your mind to something, it can happen. Because you see, to off the pool, it just feels stressing, like, oh God, what's the first step? You know, how we gonna get that done? How much is it gonna cost? And all of them things there. But just try.
This is actually enjoyable.
Well,
It's
mommy
fun.
find it very enjoying.
This is fun for me.
It's kind of fun for me because I'm actually documenting it. But mommy and my younger sister, these type of things, that's their feel, okay?
Like these things.
But for a girl that don't really like these things, I think I'm doing a pretty good job. Self-praise is no recommendation. So mommy, what do you think?
Yes, Madonna, you are doing a very good job. Considering.
What? Whew. Just trying to so you guys can see. Because I'm working my way to the other side. What I'm saying, when you're painting, don't paint yourself and be stuck in the pool. Of course, you can climb out of one end, but why you want to do that? So work your way back to the steps. So right now we're doing the sides first. And mommy doing the edges right here, because we're gonna paint the deck as well. I'm doing the edges. I'm doing the sides. And when it's time to do the floor, of course we're gonna start from the deep end and work our way back to the steps. So while we're painting, we're getting out, right? Alright guys, so I'm gonna get some more paint in here. I'm gonna paint some more and then give you an updated view of how far along we are. Okay? Mommy's on the job. So we're gonna do all of this here. This is my progress. Mommy's on the job. Hey guys, so we finished painting the pool and the water is now in it. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that. We paint the deck and inside the pool. Look how pretty this is. Remember when I showed you guys how the inside was like a little bit discolored? Now the blue, this is just beautiful. Right now I want to take a swim, but I'm too, I have things to go inside and do. And we have to put out the pool chair. Right. We got plants. Well, Sissy come and got plants. Cause she flew in, but she was sick, so we couldn't do the video.
we couldn't
couldn't capture everything, but I am just excited about this. I love the results. I really love the results. This is beautiful. And my mom and myself did this. So you see, anything you put your mind to, you can. Because the first thing I thought about was hiring someone to come and do it. But look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. There's nothing you can't do with a bit of research, right? And common sense. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.